Evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. And I'm Adira Supash of MSc Project Management of Ravensbourne University. And today I'm going to introduce my project based on the module Managing Project Resources. And my module lecturer is William Jeffries. And the topic which I taken was Echo Smart Home Hub, which is my project. And while I'm talking about the overview of the project is about developing the Echo Smart Home Hub, a central smart home device focused on energy efficiency and sustainability. And it integrates with existing smart home products and offers features like real-time energy monitoring and automatic controls to reduce the energy consumption. And my project stages involve four stages, that is project initiation, planning, execution and closure stage. Well, when I'm talking about the project initiation stage, which includes three components, that is goal and stakeholders, feasibility assessment and initial resources. Well, I'm talking about details in goals and stakeholders. In my project, it clearly defined the project goals, outcomes and constraints, and identifying the stakeholders including potential customers, investors, and partners. And inside the feasibility assessment, assessing the technical, financial, and operational viability. And in initial resources, form a core team, which include project manager, product designer, market research analyst, and allocate an initial budget for feasibility studies and planning. And the second stage inside my project is that planning, which include activity breakdown, cost estimates and resources, and expanded team. Inside activity breakdown, it outlines phases, milestones, and deliverables, breaks down the project into manageable tasks. Inside cost estimates and resources, it details the cost estimate, identifying resources needed, and outlining the risk mitigation strategies. The third, not the least, the last, that one is expanded team, which include engineers, designers, marketing managers, and procurement experts, and which establish detailed budget for design, prototyping, marketing, and contingencies. And the third step is execution. Inside execution, it involves prototype development and testing, marketing strategies, monitoring progress, resource allocation. And while I'm talking about the prototype development and testing, creating and test prototypes to refine product features, marketing strategies, which include implementing the marketing strategies to generate interest and demand among the peoples. And while I'm talking about the monitoring progress, ensure the product meet quality standards and customer expectations through rigorous testing and all. And the last one is resource allocation. Ensure adequate staffing, monitor expenditures, and provide regular updates. And while I'm talking about the last stage in my project is closure stage, which means project completion, which means complete all activities for a successful project launch is my basic idea. And basic idea means basic thing. And evaluation and handover, evaluating the project performance, document lessons and learned, and transition responsibilities to the operational team. And the resource reallocation, which means reallocation means again I am reallocating, which include transition project team members to new roles or product projects and minimizing the expenses while giving new roles to the existing team members, which reduce the expenditures and all. And while I'm talking about the assumptions and estimations in my project is that core scenarios. While I'm talking about the core scenarios, it include optimistic, normal, pessimistic, and variables. When I'm talking about optimistic, it is high productivity and effective risk management leading to early completion and cost reduction. And in normal means it is standard schedule and average cost variances and all, which is pessimistic, which means delays and increased cost due to unexpected issues. Variables, that is deliverables, direct and indirect cost, and EVA. EVA means earned value analysis for tracking performance and cost efficiency. And when I'm talking about the contingencies and remedial planning for in my project is that, well, And when I'm taking a project or anyone taking a project, definitely one contingency will come. Definitely no, a 50% is contingency can come, and a remedial planning should also I taken for my project. The Well, I'm talking about the contingency planning, it involves allocating the additional time, budget and resources to handle unexpected occurrences and all. And the remedy which I taken for my project is that steps to resolve issues and keep the project on track, such as finding alternative suppliers and adjusting project schedules, etc. And the last one, when I'm talking about earn the value analysis, that is EVA, I using EVA metrics, comparing the planned scope with actual work to determine if cost and scheduled are being met. And key metrics include planned value, earned value, and actual value. And when I'm talking about the resource and task management, that thing is resource monitoring. Regularly monitor and analyzing resources such as labor, material, capital, technology to ensure effective and efficient use. And direct and indirect costs, that is, direct costs are tied to a specific task, while indirect costs support the overall project and all. When I'm talking about the conclusion of my project is all about the project success. Efficient resource management, while doing efficient resource management, strategy investment and proactive way to risk mitigation led to a successful project delivery. And the lesson which I learned from this project is importance of detailed planning, which helped me to um, do this project, continuous monitoring and flexibility in project management. Flexibility is very even though very important in a project. If any risk or anything happen, when this project is applicable to future, in the sense the methodologies and insights gained from this project provide a solid foundation for future project, for fostering sustainable growth and innovation and all. These all are about my project. um, this is the conclusion, and these all about my project. And thank you. That's it.